Dahil kung gagawing issue ito, silipin na din natin yung ibang mga nag-donate sa kampanya ng mga politiko mula sa personal nilang pera at direktang nakinabang eventually dahil nabigyan ng posisyon sa gobyerno. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Anton Lagdameo, who's now special assistant to the president, donated 247.3 million pesos sa kampanya ni BBM. Mel Robles, who was eventually appointed General Manager of PCSO, donated 30 million pesos. Kung sa mga contractors lang, Mr. Rodolfo Hilot Jr. of Rudil Construction and Enterprises Incorporated donated 20 million pesos sa presidential campaign ni BBM and bagged 3.22 billion pesos worth of flood control projects and close to 10.78 billion pesos for a total of 227 projects for the same period from 2022 to 2025. Mr. Jonathan Quirante of Quirante Construction donated 1 million pesos to BBM's presidential campaign. Between 2022 and 2025, his company bagged 76 flood control projects worth 6.77 billion pesos and an overall total of 185 projects worth 12.58 billion pesos. Jonathan is the nephew of Mr. Alan Firante of UM Builders na kasama sa top 5 flood control contractors. For comparison, ang AAA na nasa top 15 list ni BBM may total flood control projects worth 6.38 billion pesos between 2022 to 2025 and a total of 9.67 billion pesos para sa lahat ng mga kontrata nila. Mas malaki pa ang nakuha ng Tirante Construction kaysa sa AAA, pero wala sa top 15. And that, of course, is a whole different matter, and it's up to you what conclusion to draw from that. I'm just presenting numbers I got from the DPWH database. But, like I said, if you are to look into one case, you should be willing to look into others. Otherwise, you cannot blame us if isipin namin na talagang politically motivated ang inquiry na ito. Not only is there nothing legally stopping Escudero's team from accepting the donation, he also declared it in his Statement of Contributions and Expenditures o SOSE. Doon pa lang, natanggal na yung element ng mali siya sa pagtanggap ng donation. I know it is in the mandate of COMELEC na i-check yung katotohanan ng mga declaration ng mga kandidato sa SOSE nila. But honestly speaking, is there really a 100% accurate and honest SOSE? Doon nga lang sa mga naka-upload sa COMELEC website mismo. Ang dami-dami ng kaduda-duda eh. Yung NUP, backed by Ricky Razon, 92,864 ang declared na gastos na napunta sa rent ng headquarters. Walang nakalagay dito na natanggap na donation. Sino ba ang mga officers ng NUP? Ronaldo Puno, Romeo Acop, and Christine Boying Remulla na ngayon ay ating ombudsman. I mean, baka naman, di ba, may attachment na kasama yung SOSE na yan. I don't know. This is just what's on the website of COMELEC at pinapakita ko lang kung ano yung nakuha natin.